Hey guys, just a quick explanation of today's activity with the substitute. You are going to be doing the circuits escape room, kind of posted in Google Classroom. It's still grayed out right now, but it should be active for you by the time you get to your class. So it is a digital breakout or digital escape room. It's going to look like this. I can't stress enough, guys, that you have to do the reading. Okay, so it has puzzles that you have to figure out, but all of the answers to the puzzles are going to be in the reading. So, for example, slide one is just going to kind of explain the story or the background of the escape room. Basically, you have a circuit and the light won't light up. So the slides 2 and 3 are both readings about circuits. Now, a lot of this should be review from what you've learned about circuits in science class. There will be some new things for you guys, but most of this should be a little bit of a review. Read through slide 2, read through slide 3, and then you're going to get to your first puzzle on slide 4. Okay, it's got 4 multiple choice questions. The letter answer of your multiple choice answer is what becomes your code. So, like if A was the answer to all 4 of these questions, it's not. It would be your code would be A then. Okay. So that's always usually explained kind of in that puzzle explanation. Make sure you're reading the directions for each puzzle and such. And then you continue on. And then now there's an activity and then there's a reading. Okay. So whenever you have these slides with the reading items, make sure you read them. They're helpful. That will make the puzzles easier. So on each slide, when you're doing a puzzle, you can kind of double click and type into these boxes. That is a good way to kind of record your answers because at the very end of the slideshow, there is a link right here that will take you to a Google form and you will type in your answers there. Remember that for some of the codes, like they're all going to end up being, 4-digit or 3-digit number code. On the slide, it will tell you things like, your answers, your secret code, all caps. Okay. On the next puzzle, you're going to have to write it in. Make sure you include the decimal point, which they've already placed for you. So you're going to want to pay attention to the puzzles in that way to make sure it gets typed in correctly. You are going to be doing this escape room from your assigned seats. There are hints built into each of the puzzles that can help you solve it. And all of the answers are included in the readings. And here's an even bigger hint. The answers for the puzzles are going to come from a reading that was before that puzzle. So you're supposed to be going through it slide by slide, and it kind of goes in an intuitive way. So you're in your seat, kind of working by yourself, utilizing your hints, making sure that at the very end you go to the Google form, type in your all of your codes. I know it says student or group name here. This is mostly independent. You guys should all be entering in your name and your answers here. So pretty straight through. All the information is in there. Hopefully it's a good review of all things circuits. Tomorrow we will be starting on different activities where we start building some digital circuits and seeing how that works and how we build them. Good luck, and I will see you guys later.